One day after economic speech in Michigan, Hillary Clinton is trying to put new pressure on Donald Trump and his campaign by releasing her 2015 tax returns. She did that this afternoon, and she's once again calling on the Republican nominee to do the same. Clinton's returns show that she and President Clinton earned $10.6 million last year, a little more than Donny, paid a 34.2 federal income tax rate, and they donated 9.8% of their gross annual income to charity. The Clintons have previously released decades of their past returns, and Clinton's running mate today released 10 years of his own tax history. Trump, as you all know, has so far refused to release his returns, citing the fact that he says he is under routine audit by the IRS. Here to chat this through with us, NBC News correspondent who covers the Trump campaign, Katy Tur. Katy, is this going to be effective? Do you think this will cause Trump to finally relent, or no difference?
No, he's not going to release his taxes. He's under audit, he says, even though we've contacted the tax firm to find out if that's in fact true, and they haven't responded. He's not going to release his taxes. It's not going to happen.
Not bad.
Zero chance. First of all, an audit has nothing to do, even if he is under audit. Warren Buffett was under audit. It has nothing to do with releasing returns. I feel incredibly strong about this. We all have one job as a citizen in this country. Basically, one thing we have to do, and that's pay taxes and not break the law. And taxes are a little bit a peek into the soul of how you live your life, how you conduct business, what you're going to find in those tax returns, why he's never going to release it. Possibly zero tax, because if we wanted to bore our audience, we would get a real estate tax attorney in here and explain in the real estate business, there's a lot of funny business. And the other thing you're going to find, there's always been rumors all over the city, he's about the least charitable rich guy around.
I got an email, as you did a few moments ago, from the Trump campaign that said about Hillary Clinton's taxes. And I thought, well, maybe this is it. Maybe they're going to say, well,
no.
She did. Instead,
You didn't actually think that.
A little bit, piece of me did. All right, I didn't really, but I thought maybe in the abstract. Instead, they're going on the attack and saying, she's dishonest about her emails.
Yeah, he's saying the one thing she released is the one thing nobody cares about. They want to see the 33,000, what they call missing emails. Deleted emails, that nobody is going to really care one way or the other if she releases her taxes. Despite that, I think they will have some fun with it. They will say, look at how much money she made in speeches, how much money they made in book deals, and
she paid 35% in taxes.
She paid 35%, and she's following the Buffett rule.
Yes,
but the Trump campaign doesn't necessarily use
logic.
You can bet that as she was approaching this year, they thought, how much are you going to pay? Let's take the right deductions.
For the last 25 years.
I mean, it is surprising considering that these are two people that basically run for office for a living, that they're making as much money as they are.
But the American public needs to, and I know your partner Heilman talks about this, needs to demand. I mean, you are running for president. You show your taxes.
Donald Trump supporters don't care.
And you're the last one to not show his taxes.
If he doesn't do it by the first debate, I bet it becomes a big issue in the first debate.
He's not releasing it. Zero shot.
Be a big issue in the first debate.